Here's a problem we're going to solve today using the use or look for a pattern strategy. Let's read it. On her first day of vacation, Angela found 2 sand dollars on the beach. She put them in an old sock. The next day, she found 4 sand dollars and she put them in her sock. On each day of her vacation, Angela found 2 more sand dollars than she had found the day before. So on what day did she have 42 sand dollars in the sock? And the only way I'm going to be able to solve this is by making a table to show what the pattern is. So we're going to start with the day, and I'm going to make it go for 6 days to start. If we need to add more, we can. Ooh, that pen of mine doesn't want to work today. 4, 5, and 6. Okay? Now, on the day, we're going to put sand dollars at the beginning because that's important. We're going to put sand dollars added each day. And finally, we're going to put what the total is. So as we fill in our table, we're going to start to decipher what the pattern is and be able to see where, on what day, she had a total of 42 sand dollars. Okay? So on the first day, she had none, obviously, until she went to the beach, found 2, and her total was 2. So at the beginning of day 2, she started with 2. Notice this number is going to go up to the next day. So she found 2 more than the day before. Well, 2 plus 2 is 4. Then I add these for the total. 2 plus 4 is 6. Okay? So this number goes up to the beginning of day 3. She found 2 more than the day before. 4 plus 2 is 6. Now she has a total of 12. Okay? And then we're going to put 12 at the beginning of day 4. She found 2 more than the day before. 6 plus 2 is 8. 12 plus 8 is 20. So after day 4, she already has 20 sand dollars. We're getting closer to that number 42 that we're looking for. Let's continue. She had 20 at the start of day 5. She found 2 more than the day before. 8 plus 2 is 10. 20 plus 10 is 30. Okay, closer. Let's try day 6. On day 6, she started with 30. She found 2 more than the day before. 30 plus 12 is 42. Awesome. So we're going to go back and check, and let's see what our pattern was as we went along. Well, if we're talking about sand dollars added, the pattern every day is she found 2 more than the day before. So in this row, it's always plus 2 than the previous day. We're not so concerned with the patterns that are happening here because they're not consistent. This is what we're really looking for. And if we go back to our question, on what day did she have 42 sand dollars in her sock, we look at the 6th day. So let's write that down. On the 6th day, Angela had 42 sand dollars in her sock.